In this video, we're going to be looking at the dashboard page, starting with how to create a new proposal and filling out all of its header details and saving it. This video will not cover how to manage the content blocks on a proposal. If that's what you're looking for, look for a training video titled something like Managing a Proposal's Content Blocks. So to start working here, we're on the dashboard page. And we need to follow this arrow over here and click on the Proposals button, which will bring us to the Proposals menu. You can ignore most of this top stuff here for the moment. We're just looking for this New Proposal button down here. So if you click that, it'll load for a second, and then it'll enable all of these fields at the bottom. And these are the ones that we need to fill out in order to create a new proposal. These top four here are going to change how the proposal looks. The title is going to be displayed up here. The banner image is that background image at the very top. The user data is only available to company admins, but they can use that to change whose contact info appears at the top of the proposal. So once I save this, we'll be able to see it'll have my contact info up here at the top. But if I were to change this to, say, Shannon, we would see Shannon's contact info up at the top. And lastly, this Enable Menu System checkbox. All that does is enable or disable this black bar at the top. If you don't need this little like sidebar menu or anything like that, you can just uncheck that box and it'll hide all of it. These last controls at the bottom don't change the appearance of a proposal, but they're important for managing and organizing them. Specifically, category lets you change which category the proposal belongs to. We won't be going too in depth about categories at the moment. If that's what you're looking for, look for a training video titled something like Proposal Categories. URL key, all that does is change the end part of the URL on the proposal. You can leave it blank if you want, and that'll give you just a randomized URL. That's totally fine. Or you can enter your own in here. And lastly, internal notes does not affect anything really. All it is there if you need to keep some notes for yourself directly on the proposal. So if I'll go ahead and fill these in, I'll just call this maybe Riley's demo proposal. Uh, Title is a required field, as is banner image. I'll just select one of these banner images. User data is also required, but that should be filled in by default, so we're good there. So everything looks good here, so I'll just hit save. And it'll bump us back over to the main page where I can now see the preview. You can see I've got my contact info, I've got the banner image I selected, the title here, all of that stuff. And now we can start using this column to start working on content blocks. But for now, that is it for creating a new proposal. Thank you for watching.